I have some sales data in which I have reasons, product and the sales amount. My task is to create a summary in which I want to know the total of sales that depends on the reason and the product. So whenever I change any reason from this list, suppose reason 1 and the product type is 3 or product 1, 2, 3, this data should get the total of sales from this table. So we will achieve this using the array function in which we will use index and match function. So let us begin with this. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, like the video, do your comment and share this video on social media so that your friends and family can get the benefit. So let us begin with this example. First we need to create the list of this. So here I will create the list. I have created a list of products and reasons over here, so we can get the reference. So select the cell in which we want to put the product, come to the data tab, come to the data validation, select the list and click over here and select the range of your products or reasons, because in our first column is reasons, so we will select the reason first and click OK, and we got a drop down list. And in the similar way we can create a list for products. In this cell we are gonna pull the sales amount from here, so we will use index, then the array would be the sales from which we want to pull or retrieve the amount, then comma, and what would be the row number. Row number depends on the reason and products combination of reason and the products, for which what we need to combine the two values. So in this case I will use match function, and lookup value would be the reason first, then using the ampersand sign I will combine both the values, so reason 1 and the product 1, and press comma, then the lookup array. So where is our data? Our data is over here, and then I will use ampersand. I'll give the range of products over here. But dear friends, make sure giving this kind of ranges using the array function, your ranges in both the cases would be same. Like here it is starting from the B4 to B12, and in the C column it is started from the C4 to the C12. So make sure that, and then press comma, and the match should be exact, so I will select this one and press tab, and then press close the bracket for match function and close the bracket for the index function. Now this is the main point which you need to use for creating the array of this function. Press Ctrl Shift Enter. You got your answer. Now you can see the combination of reason 1 and product 1 is coming, and the amount is 41219. It is coming over here. I will change the format of this one, and now whenever you change any thing from there, the data will change automatically. It's dynamic list. Hopefully you understood the concept of index, match and array function. You can look up the value based on the two columns. You can combine both of them and then retrieve or pull the data based on this combination. Hopefully the concept is clear. Still you have any query, feel free to send me the message. I'll try my best to give the answer as soon as possible. You can see the list of other videos and the playlist on your right or left hand side. Click over there, watch these videos, share on your social networking websites. Thank you for watching our video. Please come back again.